Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the 2023 Moon token. 2023 Moon is the ticker symbol, all one word. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the 2023 Moon token. So this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap today, and right now it is up 118.71%, doing very well. Webpage is 2023moon.xyz. This is a Binance Smart Chain token, so basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You'd go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the 2023 Moon token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their BSC scan, which is also listed on CoinMarketCap, or their webpage, 2023moon.xyz. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. So on CoinMarketCap, you can find their webpage, price chart, contract address, block explorer, Medium articles, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, and GitHub are all listed here on CoinMarketCap. So according to their BSC scan, they have 1,885 holders. They have 9 decimal places on this token, and a total supply here of, let's see here, that is a little bit over 200.3 billion tokens. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, they do have a full white paper over there. They have a link to their BSC scan. They have a link to PancakeSwap, and they have their contract address. It says there is tax on here, so total tax is 3%. So you may have to set slippage somewhere around 3% if you're going to buy or sell this token on PancakeSwap, or maybe even transfers. Also, you might get charged a 3% tax. Now, how the tax is split up, you do get rewards to holders, it says. So you get 1% reflections, 1% is burnt, and 1% it just says transaction tax. So I'm not sure what that goes to. Maybe marketing, development, or team or something like that, but it doesn't say what the last percent is for. So it says 2023's Moon mission is to create a self-sustaining, self-governing settlement on the moon by 2030 to act as a launch point for humanity to explore the cosmos. So they are actually going to the moon next year. I did do a short about it recently. There is, I believe he's a Japanese billionaire, and he's taken like 6 or 8 celebrities with him, something like that. One of them, Steve Aoki. Another one's like a K-pop singer named T.O.P. or something like that. And yeah, just a whole bunch of different celebrities he's taken to the moon with him. And it's just like a fun moon mission just for a trip, I guess. But yeah, crazy. So, I mean, it is possible to go to the moon, I guess. 2023 Moon is an international collective of people united by the mission of decentralizing access to space research and exploration. We are currently living at the inflection point of a privatized space race. And the implication, I mean, there always has been, hasn't there? Well, not always, but I mean, since the first moon mission, that was a space race as well. And the implications of this moment will define our future. Making life multiplanetary is one of the most inspiring and important missions in our lifetime. The big question is how. We believe that the international, decentralized, inclusive, and transparent organization would be much better aligned with the needs of the everyday person. 2023 Moon is going to the moon. Space is for everyone. We uphold values of inclusion, peace, transparency, freedom of organization, and speech. Space should be in the hands of the people, not any one nation or private entity. 2023 Moon will support the funding for individuals to go to space and fund future space research and exploration as it fits into the mission of becoming a governing body for the moon. It is very important to note that the core team has not pre-mined any tokens for ourselves. We have not given special terms to any venture capitalists, influencers, angel investors, rich friends or family, or any other person. We are all being treated equally. So it says our roadmap to the stars, deployed, decentralized, governed token. In order to be a DAO, we need a decentralized governance system for decision making. Launching the Mooney governance token is our first step. So they're going to launch another token, it says. There is no expectation of profit for this token. This token's purpose is to coordinate our governance. Every purpose, big or small, has gotten to the same terms. No special treatment for anyone. This is unusual for the Ethereum's project, but we thought it would be fairer for everyone involved if we did not airdrop our pre-mined any number of tokens for people ahead of time. So they talk about funding space research and exploration on here. Put a settlement on the moon. That's their goal here. And they're going to have sweet moon parties, and everyone's invited. So yeah, I mean, basically, it seems like this token's mission is to, have a party on the moon. Let's have our own moon mission, but also, it's just a reflection token. And I think it said burn, right? Yeah, there is a burn tax reflection token, so it is basically a deflationary token. And yeah, that's about it. So you can check out their full white paper as well if you want to. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap, so you can find it in the news section. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about 2023 Moon? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.